Installing rack latches. Align the rack latch with the pin on the chassis, and then press it onto the chassis and slide it backward slightly. Fasten the screws to secure the rack latch to the side of the server. Note: to avoid damage to the cable, make sure it is properly routed and does not cover the screw holes. Insert the upper part of the cable retainer into the chassis, and then push in the lower part. Fasten the screws to secure the cable retainer. Connect the cable on the rack latch to the system board assembly. Secure the cables by routing them into the space between the cable wall and the chassis. Install the system fan cage. Install the air baffle. Install the top cover.